Hello, hi friends. Good morning. Today we'll see very safe and very secure. We can see in iPhone App Store and iPhone security. So in Android, another one app is there to iPhone secure. Same. We can see we can download. Play Store not available. I'll give the link below. You can download there. It's the app name is F Droid. Just we open. You can see in this app full all the Play Store, all the things there. Search very secure apps only are available and more virus also and another hacking they'll be doing, no, so we can't do in this app. So here selected and suggested here you can download, you can see and you can download. So here categories also you can see, and no internet get app from people near you, you can see. We can search also. We can scan, we can do all the things, and here you can see updates also. In the settings you can see manage manage installed apps and Wi-Fi also we can run, and our own data also this available all the things. I mean Windows, Android, PC, etc. Android TV, just they want to update, so we can add also. And we can select mode, dark mode, night mode, light mode. So all the settings just you can see. In these categories you can see writing, time, system, sports, health, security, science and education, reading, phone and SMS. You can see money, internet, games. You can see more the thing developing, more the things are available. Just will click one in this app. Very good things we can see. Here we can see all updates we can allow, we can share, and we can install the apps. Play Store not all, some security also we can see. Here you can see all the links, app links, and here you can see premium, you can see all the things are will be allowed. So last you can see versions in Play Store not available, you can see three versions. Just we can install, you can do all the things. Another one just will click. Here you can see Play Store, we can see very less images, you can see more images we can see, and information also we can read, and next we can download the app. This is a very good app, very nice app, you can use it. I'll give the link below. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel.